737 species in genus Ardisia. June 13th. Ardisia, the coral berry, represents June 13th. Ardisia symbolizes beauty and perseverance. You thrive in any setting, adapting gracefully to change. Like its vibrant berries, your elegance is both striking and enduring. My fascination with Ardisia. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the intricate beauty of the natural world. Lately, my interest has settled on a particular genus of plants, Ardisia. These evergreen shrubs and trees, belonging to the primrose family, Primulaceae, are captivating with their vibrant berries and lush foliage. I find myself spending hours poring over botanical texts and exploring online databases, eager to learn everything I can about these fascinating plants. A diverse genus. Ardisia is a large genus, boasting hundreds of species. They are mainly found in tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas, Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. What strikes me most about Ardisia is the sheer diversity within the genus. While many species are known for their ornamental value, with bright red berries that persist throughout winter, others possess medicinal properties and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While the ornamental value of Ardisia is undeniable, the genus offers much more than just aesthetic appeal. Many species have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia. For instance, extracts from Ardisia japonica have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including coughs, sore throats, and even cancer. Researchers are now exploring the potential of Ardisia species as a source of novel pharmaceuticals and health-promoting compounds. The ecological importance of Ardisia should not be overlooked either. The berries of many species serve as a valuable food source for birds and other wildlife, contributing to the biodiversity of their ecosystems. Challenges and conservation. Despite their resilience, Ardisia species face numerous challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization poses a significant threat to many species, particularly those with limited distributions. Invasive species are another concern, as some Ardisia species, like Ardisia crenata, have escaped cultivation and become invasive in certain regions, outcompeting native plants. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of Ardisia species and the ecosystems they support. This includes protecting their natural habitats, controlling invasive species, and promoting sustainable harvesting practices for those species used in traditional medicine. Looking ahead, my journey into the world of Ardisia has just begun, and I'm eager to continue exploring this fascinating genus. I believe that Ardisia holds immense potential, not just for its ornamental value, but also for its medicinal and ecological importance. By understanding and appreciating these plants, we can contribute to their conservation and unlock their full potential for the benefit of both people and the planet.